What's going on with the YouTube? It's your boy 345 German. As y'all boys can see, it's 5:36 in the morning. And I figured, why not go ahead and give y'all boys a morning POV and my Dodge Challenger RT. I feel like I haven't gave y'all boys one of these in a minute, y'all. So it's about time I give y'all another one with all the new mods and all the new looks we got on the 3/4 man. So let's go ahead and cut these stars on, this ambient light on for y'all boys, and make our way to the highway real quick and give y'all a little decent, probably 10-12 minute highway POV. Highway patrol do be out around this time, y'all, so we gotta be careful, look out for them. Y'all gotta look with your eyes too, you feel me? If y'all catch it in the video, y'all gotta comment down below, man, you feel me? But let's go ahead and give y'all boys a little warm start real quick. It ain't been cut on since 12 o'clock, y'all, so from 12 to 5 I have to rest. So let's try hear it. I do work at FedEx, y'all, so don't mind all of that. You feel me? We're working on getting them Cali Smiths, y'all. We coming Cali Smiths for y'all boys, man, real soon. But let's go ahead and make our way inside the 345. Alright, and now let's go ahead and cut on the lights, the ambient lights, and the stars for y'all boys. Let's go ahead and cut this boy on. Put on the drive modes. When we get next to the highway, I'm gonna go ahead and change the drive mode, y'all, because it'd be a police sitting right at the corner of the street, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and play it smooth until I get past. But let's go ahead and change the lights to something crazy, y'all. Let's go ahead and make a new theme for the 3, 2, 1. Alright, we got the new color rocking, man. Just like the street mode, but let's go ahead and change it to track mode, man, for y'all boys. You feel me? If y'all boys are new to the channel, man, I got quad tips and I'm straight piped, so no me and mufflers, no resonators. I still have my catalytic converters though. And if y'all want to know how I got the SRT pages, it's because of the Z Automotive Taser, y'all. You can only get the Z Automotive Taser to get the SRT pages if you got anything with a 15 through 17. Well, you could do it for any trim that pretty much don't have SRT pages, y'all. You just need to get the Z Automotive Taser, man. I did a video on that, boys, if y'all want to know how to grab that, man. But look at the sunset and stuff and the setting, man. Let me know what y'all boys think. We got people over here speeding. But let's go ahead and cut up. We ain't gonna do too much talking. Roll back up the window a little bit so we can hear the car a little more. Good little pull. Oh, and if y'all was not peeping, I got 180 on the dash instead of 160, y'all. Like I said, if y'all boys is new, man, I got a lot of stuff done to my 345, my Dodge Challenger RT. I got a 180, 180 miles per hour scat cluster, y'all, and it's white instead of it being black and having 160 on it as well, y'all. I got a lot of stuff done to it, y'all, that I don't be mentioning and bringing up a lot, y'all, but we getting it all together, man. And y'all, that's me half throttling that charge just so y'all can really hear my exhaust, y'all, because when I go fast, I feel like I really can't hear my exhaust as much no more. I feel like I done got too used to the straight pipe to where me being around my boys with callous mids, I really can't hear my car no more, y'all. So Germ is grabbing him some callous mids, y'all, so I can really fall in love with the sound of the 3/4 again, because the straight pipe, don't get me wrong, it do sound cool, y'all, but being around all scats and Hellcats with callous mids, y'all, make you realize like your car not really that loud no more once callous mids enter the chat, y'all. So we dropping callous mids, you feel me? But so far so good, man. Let me know what y'all boys think. Do it sound alright, man? It sound decent, you feel me? We at least got track mode so we can open up the exhaust a little more, y'all, for my RT, so it should sound a lot better. And I got an intake, y'all, so this should be cool, man, like I said. But let's go ahead and continue this POV. I ain't gonna keep talking y'all off. I'll just apologize. I don't want y'all boys to be so bored of just being so quiet though. And I also got the Hellcat diff, y'all, so my gears is way longer, y'all. Let me show you how long my gears is, y'all, with this. Y'all see that? My third gear go all the way up to 80, y'all. RTs really don't go that high in third gear, you feel me? I got a 262 Hellcat LSD, y'all, which allow my gears to go a little bit farther to get a top end speed, y'all. That's what the 262 is meant for. And the 309, if y'all get the 309, that's better for more torque response, y'all. So that's better for sliding. I really wanted that one, y'all, but the 262 LSD is still do, y'all. Let's still get busy for the 3.4 Fisherton. But yeah, I got longer gears as well, if y'all boys wasn't noticing too, y'all. I just ain't really pushed it and tried to do too much. Boys, to let me know which mods I'm dropping for the 3.4 Fisherton next though, y'all. Like I said, Callus Mids. But what do y'all suggest down in the comment section below, man? I know I want the underground tune and Callus Mids. My steering wheel look cool, y'all, I'm not gonna lie. But I really think I'm about to come an LED steering wheel, y'all. So I can make the POVs look way better, y'all. Because I already got Hellcat paddles and carbon fiber. But the orange stitching is nice, I know, you feel me? But the LED just give it a way better look, y'all. And I'm looking at the stuff with the forged carbon, with the carbon, everything, and Alcantara suede, y'all. So we're gonna try to come something way better than what we got, y'all. Shark a bit. Shark a bit. Shark a bit. Yeah, I know how to upshift, y'all. Don't say I'm redlining. It was not redlining. It was close. I know how to read my car, you feel me? Why we got all these people keep trying to pull up on me? I'm low-key going fast, though. Look. Y'all clip farming, like what the fuck? They trying to race a young, they trying to race the 3.4 Fisherton. Look at this dude on my right side. Look, they try harding right now. Every side right now. They clip farming the 3.4 Fisherton, man. But like I said, let me know how this POV coming, y'all. I'm really trying to get y'all a 7 days straight. That's what I'm really shooting for, y'all. So if y'all see I've been dropping back-to-back videos and this is one of them, I'm trying to go for a 7 days straight. I'm trying to get the algorithm back fucking with Germ. Well, potty mouth. I'm trying to get the algorithm back messing with Germ, you feel me? So we dropping back-to-back videos, and I'm trying to come with content for y'all boys on the behind the scenes after I'm getting straight off work and all of that, man. So y'all gonna keep seeing me a little more back on the long form videos, man. Let me crack the window for y'all now. It just be so much wind. I feel like, y'all, look at that sunset. I just feel like it'd be so much wind coming through, though. Hold on, let me lower my speed a little bit, go second gear. That was a cool little run, man. What y'all think? Them Callus Mids gonna give me a little more torque response because it's letting more air go into the my pipes and stuff, y'all. So I can't wait to grab Callus Mids, and I wanted to scream when I'm pulling down the street, y'all. I really can't hear my scream no more like I used to hear it. I need to do some more flop out clips and all of that and stuff like that, y'all. I'm thinking about grabbing new ambient lights. That's what I forgot to mention, y'all. The ambient lights in here are cool, but if y'all ever seen the Flow Series ambient lighting, y'all, they look way better than this. Let me roll up the window because I'm screaming. The ambient lighting look way better than this, y'all. It's the Flow Series to where, like, it got a lot of different modes on it and stuff like that, y'all, and it actually move. It look way better than what it do right now, y'all. Mine, I'm not gonna lie, still look good and vibrant, you feel me? But these gonna set the tone, y'all, when we hop inside. Make sure I get my doors back lit up again, y'all. Y'all remember back in the day, if y'all watch my old videos or if y'all is new to the channel, I had my doors dead at a point in time, but I did mess them up because of how I set them up. I feel like I could have did a better install on them, y'all, but over time they both came out because of how bad of an install I did on both sides, y'all. So we're gonna reinstall and get the better ambient light kit, y'all, to make these POVs look way better for y'all, so y'all don't be so bored of looking at the same thing every time y'all see my POVs. Can y'all hear my intake? Y'all might not be able to hear my... he's kicking a lot of rocks on my car. Alright, man, I know this POV getting boring, man, but I'm gonna go ahead and end the video off right here, man. I hope y'all boys enjoyed it. I wanted the video to be at least 10 to 12 minutes long, man. If this video wasn't long enough, y'all, I probably might extend the video and then do a little bit more than this, y'all. But I hope y'all boys enjoyed this little cool morning POV, man. I'm about home, y'all, and I don't want to show y'all the route I take home, so I'm ending it right here, man. But I hope y'all boys enjoy it, man. Let me know down in the comment section what mods y'all want to see, and if y'all want to see more POVs back with the 345, man. I'll catch y'all boys in the next video we gonna cook up. Peace.